So you're asking yourself, what's the process for getting a product from idea to launch? And well, it's 5 steps, and I'm gonna break it down for you. One will be product development, R&D, prototype, creating it, figuring it out. 2 would be manufacturing, finding the right partner, getting it, creating it. 3 would be branding and packaging, understanding how it looks, how you want it to be on the shelves, so that when you sell it, it goes out. And then 4 would be sales strategy. Do you want to be D2C or do you want to be retail? So you know where you're going and how you want to sell. And the last one will be marketing and a launch plan. So when you have those things figured out, it allows you to be successful when it comes to launching your product, launching your brand, and understanding the different ways of, how to be successful with it. So you just have to constantly always remember that when you're launching a product, each one of those steps that I just named are important. So from going from idea to launch, you have to figure out where you're going to get your manufacturing from. You have to figure out how you want to get it on the shelves. You want to figure out if you're going to do D2C or retail, which I suggest always from everybody in the beginning to do D2C, because that allows you to get in touch with your community, build your base, validate your idea to make sure you're using it right. And then also when you do D2C, it allows you to know if the product that you're giving them is the one they want, or they may want the second product you may have. You may come out with 3 SKUs or 3 products, and they may be like, no, we only want the third one. We don't need the first 2, and you save yourself a lot of money. And then also when you do come out with your marketing plan, you're able to figure out which marketing plan works when you do roll out, when you do D2C, direct to consumer, because now you're able to know what marketing plan works, what community you should be marketing to, how much it's going to cost for you to get a new customer, and then on top of that, what they're looking for and what they like out of your messaging. So that also plays a factor when you're doing marketing. And then also when you come from idea to launch, finding the right manufacturer. In the beginning, you might be using a manufacturer that's in the States, and they could be good, but then there might be another manufacturer in the States that could be even better, that could be saving you more money, and then using them will allow you to bring a lot of your costs down. Or you could do like a lot of people do, they go overseas and find themselves a manufacturer to get a lot of things for cheaper when it comes to boxes, when it comes to certain labels, stickers, whatever it may be. These type of things play a factor in lowering your costs, so that you're not spending $5 to make the product and then turn around only selling it for $25, and then now your X rate is less than 10%, which is very hard, because once you start adding different stuff, it can really make your product even more expensive when you start adding in shipping and then other items that could come up. So yeah, these 5 things that I just named before are very important to take your product from idea to launch. So always remember, being able to find your good manufacturer, being able to understand your sales and marketing plan, understand that you want to do D2C and not retail, and then also understanding, is your idea being validated? Is this the right idea that you need to be pushing, or should it be something else? So having all 5 of those steps, along with understanding, your research and development, making sure this is the product for you, will help your business be successful when you're ready to go from idea to launch. So remember, this has been another video with your boy. This is another CPG 101 with Eric, and continue to subscribe below for more great videos. Thanks.